Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hulu subtitles delayed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is check for the latest version of the Hulu app as well. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue or facing the issue, then what you can do is disable closed captions, then enable them again. What the next thing that you can do is fully close Hulu, all other apps program running in the background, and then try again. Then test a different video for comparison purposes. If other videos are affected, then run through the additional troubleshooting steps for common playback issues. If no other videos are affected, or if the issue is not resolved by troubleshooting, you can simply click on contact us, and then you can tell your problem to the Hulu support team, and then they will fix the issue. So that's basically available options in order to fix Hulu subtitles delayed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.